Yo, wagwan and welcome back to the channel, aka come ride with me. And today I've linked up with a group called NahMove and we're just gonna go for a drive, get some shots and just enjoy our Sunday. So stay tuned. Next, we got this stage 2 or stage 1. Is stage 2 or stage 1? Stage 2. S3. It's from 300 brake to now 390 brake. So you can imagine all-wheel drive. It's definitely putting the power down. And I was just listening to it idle. Sounds nuts. Then you got my man and his baddest M4 competition convertible. Nice. Got the blue accent on the rear diffuser. Looking cold. And then my brother, who's been a ghost from school days, got the bad boy M3 here. Guys, everyone's got their custom plates. I need my custom plates, you know.
Yeah, definitely.
I've got custom plates, but I'm waiting for the V750 to come. I lost it and I sent off for a new one. Still waiting. I sent off in October, you know. But my one says FA57 CRM. So fast, come ride with me. Come on. Come on. Gotta represent the channel. But yeah, hopefully we're gonna line these cars up, get a couple of shots, and then we're gonna get some B-rolls on motorways and just enjoy our Sunday, you know how it goes. Obviously this event was organised by the main man here. I will slap his Insta will pop up at some stage. But yeah, if you lot want to see some cinematic B-roll action of this event today, head over to his channel. He will be having all of that. He did say he'll let me borrow some of his footage, so you know, but most of it will be on his channel. I'll slap his YouTube channel on the description box below, so check him out because it's gonna be a little Sunday movie today, so stay tuned. I honestly love them, but I can never remember the exact name for them. I know it's E something. If you know, just slap it in that comment section, help me out. But yeah, look at it. Sunroof, red levers, manual gated transmission. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, manual gated transmission. It's nice, man. I love these old school box style M3s. My neighbour used to have a sick one in red with a soft top convertible. Yeah, these look and sound amazing. A timeless look. Thought we'd just take time out to appreciate this view. Look at that. Yes. Sorry if you got dizzy, boy, but the sun's just trying to destroy my eyes. But yeah, the M3 alone, oh, that is the money shot. M6, M4 and M3, jeez, just a thing of beauty. Up first, we've got the old school M3, getting them shots, with them building backgrounds. The wheels on this car just compliment it still, can't lie. They say it was about to be an S3 rev off, yeah? And this thing, it just mad. This thing just always sounds stupid. Come, let us hear this thing properly. Sounds healthy still. This M6. I don't even care if you can't hear me. Alright. I think we're all gonna start hopping back into our cars and make our way to the next location, so stay rolled for some B-roll motion shots, you get me? Made it! Touchdown at High Beach down in flipping Ilford area, but as you can see on a Sunday it's very busy, so there's nowhere really for us to stop and chill, so it's going to be an interesting. We might have to find the next location. Can't seem to get my words out. Yeah, I think we may have to hit up a next spot, maybe Harlow, I don't know.
Everyone's here.
Surprisingly, you think everyone would be inside because it's cold and you know, distancing and all that. So yeah, interesting, but hopefully we'll hit up the next spot. This would have been a nice spot if it was empty though. But you know, we have to work with what we can. done the thing right. He done the thing right. He done the thing. I was trying to do it a minute ago, obviously off camera, but it was failing.
I'm gonna fail, but I'm gonna try and do it.
He's going for it. He's going for it.
Oh, wait, hold on.
It ain't easy.
I'm a fucking phoner. I've got traction.
Oh, come on. Amateur mistakes. Smoking. Come on. Come on.
This guy smacked it.
It's all going down. It's all going down. Obviously, we're gonna have as much fun here as we can before, you know, because we're in these little suburban areas. So I don't think it's gonna stay this peaceful for too long, but we'll enjoy it while we can. Lights.
Makes a difference, though.
It does. If you need neon lights or starlight roofing installed, this is your guy. His Insta will pop up. But let's check out, because we couldn't see it earlier, it was too bright. You see, all of this, he installed it himself. Come on. And then look at that. This is what I need in my car, that starlight roofing. But yeah, all installed by my man himself. As I said, his Insta would have popped up and I will put it in the description box below. But yeah, his 1 Series is slightly where mine needs to be. Listen, this 4 Series behind me has just showed me something sick. I'm telling you, every time I see someone's cars, it makes me want to do more to mine. Give me 2 seconds, I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Look at that, reflective. That is mad. Yeah, reflective badge, reflective V-bars, and the reflective M stripes. That's cold. Should I get that? I won't tell you the colour, because if I tell you the colour, I'll get it. Will give away too much, but MV bars, when you highlight them, it looks sick when it stands out. It's just too much to do. But check out the lineup though. Straight Germans. We've even come across more cars on our way here. Next location. This is just mad. Absolutely sick little turnout. Drone's going up. yes, and with that, guys, you see the lineup. I've come to stand under the light. You see my face. You see the CRM hat. There we go, focus. There we go. But yeah, with that, we're gonna call it a day. As usual, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. You know how the thing goes. More to come. Stay tuned for the new year. Peace.